Hey everybody, it's Andrew from Scion. I've been asked a lot to do a tool talk for our friends at the Golden Horseshoe. So I thought today we would talk about roofs. So today we're on a flat roof. And on this flat roof you can see a couple things that would tell us this roof is kind of nearing the end of its life. I'll kind of point them out as we go here. But number one is, see these markings that are coming across the edge here? This type of staining that's in a straight line. That's our granular coming off the roof. That's this granule washing off in specific spots, and as it washes down it makes all this kind of muck until it gets to your drain. That's roofing material. That's granular, used to protect the membrane from UV exposure. Then you start getting things like moisture between the plies of your roof membrane. There are two plies in this membrane. Ew. There are two plies in this membrane. When moisture gets between them, they create blisters. And this one's pretty big. You can see there's quite a lot of air in there. That's your plies of your roof separating. These are kind of the telltale signs we look at when we're contemplating whether a client needs a roof replacement or not. Thanks for watching.